Hello, this is a quick video to demonstrate that I know how to use Maya. On the left side, you have the outliner where you choose to, the object. On the right, there is the channel box, which is this right here. Editor where you can translate, rotate, or scale the objects to your liking. There are also different options at the top of the toolbar, which are 5, 6, and 7. Here's you can change these right here. Um, Poly modeling is what I did here. Right here, that'd be the actual floor to my project, which you can see. Um, this one would be the cylinder right here. I didn't change the names yet, but I can. The cone, the cube, the sphere. You have different types of cameras. Ooh, sorry, which I can actually rotate like that. But if I want to see it from a different camera, I can actually. Where's my camera at? Find it. Hold on. Top camera. Why can't I see the top camera? Well, for the most part, I'm still getting used to this. I'm still new. As you can click the objects and change the names, as I was saying before. So if I wanted to change the name to this one, I could put rooftop, and it'll change it to rooftop because it's supposed to be similar to like a little house or so. I was creating like a little ballpark or something for children. That was what came to mind. Um, in the other portion, um, don't get confused on what objects you're working on when you change the name. Also, there is the Windows display right here, and in this window display, you are able to find the outliner, the workspace, which also the workspace will be found in this corner here, which if you go here, it'll tell you the modeling expert. You can go back by going to general. Up here you have shading, lighting. Let's say I want to take off the lighting. I got the lighting off. Um, we take the lighting off. Right here we have, it says show render. So if I wanted to see my grid here or not see the grid, I can remove the grid. I can put it back on. This one is to expand. I mean, well, not no exact word, but I know the word is to like shorten back or put it back and forth to focus, I guess. Resolution gate, you can take that off. You click on a lot of things here. You can put the grid here. You have different options, but make sure you don't keep them on. Here's this one here where it shows you just the frames. You take that off. Let me put that back. This one, let me see. Also here it shows you your objects, solid objects with the frame around it, giving you like a showing you the outline of what is being worked on as in edges and whatnot. We're going to remove that. So now if you want to get technical, we have different options here, which gives you the quad view of what you're working on. Let's say, for example, you want to double. You can also go here and oh, you can also bring it up, shows you the double views. If I wanted to do it in quad, I can also do it in quad. It only shows you only the 2-point view, I mean 3 cameras to be honest with you. This one here, oh, this one here also moves. Okay, so we're gonna get out of that and we're gonna go to the single. I'm gonna stretch this out again. What else? Right here, like I said, in Windows, if you want, you got setting preferences. You got the preferences. You could select from here multiple options. You can save it. You can remove certain settings. You can place certain settings. Makes your life a lot easier and your work a lot. It gives you an easier method to work with. So we're gonna get back out of here. We also have, let's see, file to save it. Normally, I don't have the rendering portion that you guys have. For some reason, I don't have that Arnold. But if I click on IPR, it gives me right here, but it gives me the error of my IPR. So it shows right here a little bit what's going on. My system is a little different from most instructors I see, but here in this channel area, if you wanted to, always bring it back, or Control Z, bring it back to where it's at. I use a lot of Control Z for me because I don't remember most of the steps of most of the things we do on most of my projects. And since, I took this somewhat of web design back in my past life, it helped me a lot with knowing how to bring back certain things. If I make mistakes, Control Z is what I usually use. I know I believe it's Tab and Shift. It gives you the options here, Hotbox controls, recent commands, file edit create with Tab and Shift. I mean spacebar Shift. My apologies. It gives you an option of multiple things. Let's say if I right click, I could go edge, I could go face, object, UV. Do a lot of different things. Now it's giving me a whole different color. Now to get that off, let's go to edge. I forgot which one was it, but Control Z, like I said, it gives you back. Let's get it out of there. There we go. For me, like I said, Control Z, double view panel, quad, single, and here's just um, the show hidden outliner. Okay, so you can go to show, got objects, gives you everything here, lights, sets, clips. Like I said before, if you wanted to take the lighting off, you can. I'm not good at explanations on doing videos, so I apologize if I'm a little off, but I'm trying my best because I'm not good at this. But when I get to do my work is a little different. So work with me, please. Bear with me. I'm doing my best right now. I'm freezing up because I'm a little confused on where I'm going with this. But so yeah, you have different options. The merge vertices. I clicked on it on accident. Um, you have your modeling here, which is the sphere, the cube. You get curves if you want to work curves. You got different surfaces, the sculpting area, UV editing, rigging, which is I'm excited for to learn, animation, rendering. Right here, all these options, you get a little bit of everything, the effects. Also, if you go to File, you can save your scenes as, open scenes as you please. Um, and your recent projects for whatever you worked for. Uh, Now, Windows gives you multiple options, general editors, modeling editors. I haven't worked with a lot of these yet. I'm still learning the Maya because my Maya is 2026. For some reason, I don't have a lot of the things you guys have. Excuse me. Playblast is something I'm normally used to, but my Playblast does not store on my computer like any other systems. So the display, we can always hide and show it. You have your freeze, which is Control F if you want to freeze your projects. So like if I wanted to freeze this, and I could just Control F it. Now I'm frozen. So we're gonna take that back. Let's get it at search tools and commands. I don't want to do that. Okay. So now, yeah, well, render viewport 2.0. Got it here, hardware renderer. Not sure how to mess with the rendering yet. I'm still working my way there. Still need a lot of help with these. Um, but yeah, for the most part, let me see. We have, well, not here. If I wanted to, let's say, play blast, I can do it here. I know you asked for a lot of other stuff on the actual assignment. I hope I completed most of it. I hope I did follow most of the instructions. It's a little different for me because I'm still learning. Don't know why this play blast is still here. Um, I don't want to use this. So we're gonna try to get the Control Z. There we go. Control Z to take it off. So yeah, still working on the cameras problem because for some reason my cameras are not, I still gotta, oh, that's my first camera perspective, is it? Oh, it won't let me move. So the first, I wanna know what this, okay. Still trying to figure this out. I'm working on it. Hopefully I could get it. I don't know. For some reason, my laptop is not taking that little circle out the way. Not sure why. I have a little circle here. Uh, complete tool. Selecting all, as you can see. I don't want to select, but um, excuse me. I'm a little sick. Sorry. Well, I hope this was what you requested, and I'm working with the OBS. Hopefully, it recorded. I was having issues trying to actually put it together. But I looked it up on YouTube because for some reason when I do it on my system to check the way you guys are doing it, it doesn't show up like that. But I hope this is what you're looking for. I hope you have a great one. Bye.